Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to use your Microsoft Surface Pro 12 as a monitor for another laptop. Before we start, if you want to use your device as a monitor, we cannot connect it using a cable since there is no input support from another device. We cannot display an image from another device on this tablet in a regular way, but we can use the wireless display feature, which is built into Windows. You only have to install it on this tablet if you don't have it pre-installed. To use it, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and use Windows 11 for best compatibility. Go to Start menu, Settings, System on the sidebar, then find Projecting to this PC. If you don't see anything here, go to Optional Features and tap View Features. Search for the wireless display feature, check the box, download it, and wait until it's installed. Once installed, go back to System, then Projecting to this PC. Change the first value from Always Off to either Available Everywhere or Everywhere on Secure Networks. In the second option, select anything and switch the toggle off so projection works even without the charger. On your other device, press Windows plus K to open the Cast menu. Select your Surface Pro 12 once it appears. Accept the request on your Surface, and the projection will start. By pressing Windows plus P on your other device, you can select the projection type, whether to mirror, extend, or use the Surface as the main display. To stop projection, tap the X icon in the top right corner of your Surface or press Windows plus P again and stop the projection. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below. See you in the next one.